Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Curse, Mom. Where would it be?
Oh, well, I just wanted to be sure.
Mom!
Oh, sweetheart, don't tell me that you're still sulking. Come on, darling. You just got home. Okay, tell me, how can I make it up to you? Your favorite meal? Chocolate? Okay, do you want to go out? A little bit of money?
Mom, you know it.
What do you want, darling? It doesn't suit you when you sulk.
I want to be with my family.
What? Those barbarians? They are not your family.
Mom, they are not barbarians. Mom.
Nothing?
Yes, brother.
Something fishy is going on here.
Fish? Is it a mortuary fish or shower fish?
Slap it, I slap you, eh?
Sorry, brother.
Oh yeah. All for one?
One for all.
Now tell us what you are plotting.
Us plotting. We're not plotting. We're not. Don't mind him, we're not plotting.
Yes.
We can't.
We're not plotting anything.
Bolaji, what is going on?
You're asking us questions and we're answering you.
Yes.
Oh yeah. All of you are disturbing us now. Get outside. Please, children. I'm telling you, I want to come.
Okay, bros.
Taju! Who are you in there with?
No one, Mom. I was actually on the phone.
Really? I could have sworn I heard more than one voice. Are you sure?
Then you must be hearing things, Mom. Because there's no one in this whole house except you and I.
You cheeky little boy, you. Naughty you. Well, I'm gonna go and make your favorite indomie with vegetables, let's see, with some pot roast, I think. Now, would you like a snack before then?
Sure. Sure, Mom.
Okay, honey, tell me, what do you want?
2 cheese and ham sandwiches.
Okay.
5 hot dogs.
5 hot dogs?
Yeah, 5 hot dogs, Mom.
Crystal!
What else? Crisps.
Okay.
And some chocolate bars.
But, honey, isn't that a bit too much for just a snack?
Mom, you know I didn't have enough for breakfast. So.
Now that will teach you, young man, to pay me some mind. No, you come here, young man, and listen to your mommy now. Mommy knows best. And I say that associating with those area boys and area girls and all those barbarians, one and all, is not good for you, okay? Now you run along and I'll call you when your order is ready, darling. But at the rate we're going, I must have to go and buy some more supplies.
Jumoke, Bolaji, Bayi.
They are outside.
Which outside? The one I am coming from, or what?
No, we sent them outside.
You sent them outside the gate?
No. We sent them outside. But inside the
you people have not arrived though, and you've started bullying your younger ones. Now I can work it. Be warned though, because this time it's not going to be like every other holidays. I won't tell that nonsense from you people. You know what I mean to promote my case? Now I see a piece of there. Up to
Wait, I'll get it. You will get the truth. What the Bolaji? You will call her. I'll do Mr. Shut up.
I told you. These children are planning something. They are planning something.
I think so.
Oh, you see? Look at them. See how they come together. They are planning something.
Don't block It's a lie. You children are up to something. You are planning something. They are shouting on me.
Shut up. Shut up, Jumoke.
Man, don't mind.
Wait. You mean you people were having fun?
Yes! You were planning something. They were planning something.
Shut up, Jumoke, before I slap you.
I will slap you.
Man, don't mind. We're having fun. You were having fun. Yes. And I did not hear any killing noise. And Lele inside.
Go inside the house. Enter the house.
Kedu, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
How's your granny?
She's very fine, Mama.
That's
Yeah. Come on, down and greet me. What do you mean by that? How are you?
How is everybody?
They are fine, Mommy.
Your grandmother,
she's fine, Mommy.
Oh no.
I have good news, Mommy.
What good news?
You won't believe it, Mommy. Wait until Papa comes back.
Where is it?
Where's Papa?
He has gone to work as usual.
Is he a fan?
How is it?
Welcome, Mama. Henna. Inside.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please.
Ogili. Kasali.
Ma.
Ahon di pa.
Odima.
It's okay.
Who's she?
She's Hitler's first daughter. You think Jumoke is tough, Abby? Wait until she gets a hold of you. Wait until she gets a hold of you. You and your mother. Oh, hey, good job.
Anything to do with these barbarians?
Barbarians.
Jumoke only one.
What is that?
One.
I'm not even happy that
Sister, you didn't look at
Hey, Jumoke, share the biscuit equally.
Yeah, she started sharing equally.
I'm sharing it equally.
That's how you always treat us.
If I slap you, do I always cheat you?
Jumoke, must you always quarrel? Just share the biscuits equally.
Give me the round one, Fulo.
Come on. Which if I slap you, take it.
Sister, you see you.
This is not fair at all.
Mothers and sisters.
I shake for all of them now. But I would do Fati and Femi and Bolaji. I can't use the same. Bolaji.
Shut up now.
Mami, welcome.
Welcome. When are you come?
This evening, Mami.
Yeah, Banko.
She's fine.
She sends her greetings. Shalafia Noah. Welcome. Hey. Please. The Mercies is returning soon.
Now, so we see him. Yeah, Judy.
You see the little work at me.
Be patient, Mommy. Until Mommy comes back.
Papa is back.
Bami welcome.
Yedide.
Bami.
Yedide.
Bami.
Yedide. Did I not tell you to remain in the village with my mother?
Benny, Bami.
So, what are you doing here? Or did I send you a message that you should come back?
Bami, I have good news. So Iyagba said I should come and tell you about it.
What is the good news?
Bami, she said I should come and tell you that I'll be getting married to Taufik next week.
Taufik! No, she's not.
You have killed me, Yejide.
Mommy.
So this is your good news from the village.
Mommy.
You have good news from the village, Yejide.
Mommy.
Hey.
I am only getting married to Taufik.
Taufik?
I am Taufik. Inshallah, we shall be getting married next week Friday. We have come to ask your blessings.
This is happening. This one? Yeah. How are you? What to get married? We have a go for HD. Can you bring him? Yes. Let's get to know you. We just want to know you.
Rakindi, take it easy. We should take it easy. Sit down. Sit down there.
Not to mind. Let us know you. Not to mind. That's not why you know.
Take it easy with him.
We are coming. Don't worry.
Tó bá tún sọ̀rọ̀ kó pa ẹ̀wò.
Ejide ó gaṣá.
You want to marry him? No,
Absolutely none of your business, Crystal.
Oh, come on, Mom. This is my family. And if anything is wrong, I want to know. Oh. And I'm not going to be silenced when I shouldn't be, Mom.
Oh, you want to know?
Oh, come on,
Crystal, go inside. Right away. Mom. Don't let me repeat myself.
You're taking him away.
Crystal.
Mom.
Barbarians.
Please, help me ask your daughter. I hope that area boy has not jumped over her. You hear me? I hope he has not jumped over her. Because I will never have an Oyeleke as my in-law.
Hey, whoa! God forbid next bad thing. The Oyeleke peoples and our peoples can't marry. It is a causes. Like that one on the Pharaoh.
Tell her, I hope she is not pregnant. For her own sake. Because by the time Bajamiu and Ifa descends on her, her eyes will see her ears without mirror.
Jogba, sorrow.
Ejide, what did I do to you that made you do this to me, Ejide? Can you make?
Mommy, what am I doing to you? I'm only getting married.
What you saw?
Was that what I sent you to the village to do? Eh?
What did you send me to the village to do? Bami?
Are you answering me or you're asking me a question?
I want to know. For the past 5 years I have been in the village. Nobody wanted to know what I was doing or how I was doing. Not even my darling mother.
I will shout
for you now.
Do what again, Bami? Banish me to the village. What else did I do, Bami? Except that as a 14-year-old, I went swimming with my friends. Otto, what else did I do to you people?
Look, Ejide Sore, because to ba Sore, ba beg you friend. Yes, ba beg you friend.
Bami, 2 years ago, I wrote you a letter that I had passed JAMB and had been given admission to read law. Did you reply me? Chief. Mami, did you care? Was this nobody cared?
I'll marry Taufik and nobody will stop me. Chief, what you told me that you were going to send money to her, Chief?
Yes, I said I will. Yes, I did. I think I did.
Bam.
It is true. Well, you people should leave me alone, Jerry. What is it? How am I supposed to remember everything? Am I a computer? What is it? With all your commotion in this house, give me this, give me that, systemically this, you my week, this one water, this one kitchen. You people send me crazy and in the confusion. How am I supposed to remember anything? Am I a computer? Let me go.
Ejide. Adao. Please. Biko. Nenu Manya. I'm still your mother. Please. I know that we've wronged you, Ejide, but please, Biko, we'll make amends, please. Ejide, I'm sorry. Don't throw your life away and go and marry that Taufik. Biko. Please, I'm begging you, my daughter. Biko no mom. Oh, please.
Mommy.
Please.
Sorry, It's too late.
It's not too late, mom. Biko.
I am pregnant.
Hey!
Take it easy.
Kneel down there. Mommy, Taufik has something to say. Oh yeah?
Yeah. I feel like there's a sorrow.
Talk.
Sif, I do not want to marry your daughter again, no.
Yes. Oh, you did not think of that when you got her pregnant. Pregnant.
Sif,
you got her pregnant. You don't want to marry my daughter. You don't want to marry my daughter. You are denying my daughter, Nebe.
If she's pregnant, it's not by me. I'm not responsible. You won't buy her. Colomet to follow you. Talk. I'll talk before I die here. I'll talk. Chief, my real names are Rotimi Adeyemi. I'm a second year law student of Ogun State University. Yes, Yejide here is my classmate. Yes, she's my classmate. She asked me to help her pretend to be her suitor so that she can come home. She says she misses her family.
Yejide. Get up. Get no.
Give me a clip. Get me.
The law. Sit down. Sit down. The law. Sorry.
Senior, thank God for you.
Can I go on the banking?
I thank God for you. Thank you.
Asking for money.
How did you manage?
From what we had money from the farm and some small businesses.
I always knew you will make it in life. Yes. Because you are my mother, come back. Come back, my daughter. Welcome home, my daughter. I sent you to the village so as to protect you. Yes, so that those small boys will not destroy your life. That is love. This is the first Fuji lawyer, barrister, and esquire in Fuji House. Yes. And by the grace of God, inshallah, she will become a senior advocate of Nigeria.
Amen.
I am the first Fuji historian in this house.
Yes. I am the first Fuji anthropologist in this house.
Yes.
Bami, I'm the first sociologist in this house.
Bami. I am the first animal husband in the world of Fuji.
Dero is the first in this house.
I'm the first man who wants.
Me too. I'm the first food prefect. Bami, I'm the first class captain in Fuji House.
I'm the first man who first wife
Me too. I'm the first catering practical in Fuji House.
What are you up to?
I wonder.
Me too, I am wonderment too.
What I say?
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of commotion, preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of commotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's